Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I definitely still think we're in a big 1, 2, and 3, which I do suspect to go up around the $2,550 area, right around the 161.8 to finish off the wave 3, probably eventually make a wave 4 and make a wave 5. So the trend that started back here, I think is actually a long ways from being over. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a wave 1. I still think that's a wave 2, and I still think we're in a subdivision of wave 3. This wave 3 could potentially just keep on stretching out. It definitely should make its way up to around the 161.8 just to finish off the wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still was suspecting that this was a wave B because it definitely did make 5 waves down, and we didn't really bounce off a Fibonacci level, so I still think this could be a wave B. It doesn't have to be a wave B though, it could easily just keep going up, so be very cautious about sorting it. But if you do see a nice break of structure to the downside, then most likely that will tell you that it's going down for a wave C before it does go back up for the continuation of this wave 3 pattern on the weekly and monthly. So keeping it going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can a little more clearly see these 5 waves down, which I think end right here. Now this move up is also 5 waves. So you would kind of think that most likely we would go down and make like a wave B, and this would be like a wave A, and then it would go up again for a wave C, and this would potentially be all an A, B, C, or B, and then it would potentially go down again for a wave C, and this would be a big A, B, and C pattern. It definitely seems pretty likely, but like I said, be very cautious because the trend is definitely up on the very high time frames, and it could easily just keep on going up and break these highs and just keep on heading up to that $2,550 target that I have on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like impulsive down. This does look like corrective up. It already kind of looks like it was trying to end the correction, but it could possibly, go up and break those highs, maybe do a little bit of a bull trap before it goes down. But you would definitely think with these 5 waves up on the 4 hour time frame that this potentially would make a move down, either an A, B, C, or possibly it could even stretch out because if it is 5 waves, then it would go down and break the low of wave 4. So it could even stretch out into a much bigger pattern and end up looking something like this, making a bigger correction like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame before it actually does end up continuing back up, making either an A, B, C of B, or possibly even a 1, 2, 3 of the continuation of the uptrend. So either scenario, definitely pay attention to your fib levels, but definitely be cautious because like I said on the higher time frames, all the very high time frame trends are definitely still up, and it could easily just make a little correction and just keep on trending up. So definitely be cautious with your sorts. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.